To solve auto following problem on Instagram, first of all, you will have to open up the Instagram app. So a lot of people face this problem. Now once you're on this page, you will have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Instagram account. Now you will have to scroll down all the way until you find an option of app websites permission, and you will have to tap on it. Then tap on apps and websites, tap again, and make sure that you have no active apps right here or active websites, because in some cases some third-party websites or apps have access to your account, unauthorized access, so that may be causing the problem. So make sure you remove all of the active websites and apps. Then go back again. Now go to the top and tap on Account Center. Now make sure that you have changed your password. You have to change your password. If you have recently changed it, it's fine, but if you haven't done it for a while, you should consider changing your password, and also make sure that you have enabled the two-factor authentication on your Instagram account. So if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.